How to delete a widget from the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, go to the screen page that has the widget that you would like to remove. Then touch and hold on the widget that you want to delete. And from the pop-up, tap on Remove Widget. Then tap on the Remove button to confirm. Now for this one right here, it is a stack widget. A stack widget allows you to contain multiple widgets within this placement container. So here, if you touch and hold on it, instead of saying remove widget, it will say remove stack. So you just have to tap on remove stack and then tap on remove, and that will completely remove the stack and all the widgets within that container. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.